Hello cake lovers, welcome back to Cake Factory. Today we are sharing 15 beautiful, heartful and creative cake ideas to slow appreciation of for teachers. These cakes are sweet gestures that say thank you for everything you do. The next first one is chalkboard cake, a cake fondant cake, black fondant cake style like a chalkboard with white writing. Thank you for teacher or best teacher ever. The next is bookstock cake, a realistic cake shaped like a pile of book with edible pages and a pencil topper. Great for teachers or literature teachers. Next is apple themed cake, a classic symbol for teachers, a bright red apple cake or a cake with apple shaped toppers. The next is ruler and notebook cake, decorated with fondant rulers, spiral notebooks, and paint pens. Fun and perfect for a classroom party. The next is graduation hat and diploma cake, ideal for year-end celebration or graduation parties. Elegant and celebratory. The next is subject theme cake. Customize the cake to match the teacher's subject: math, equation and numbers, art, paints, splatters and brushes, science, bakers and molecules. The next is blackboard cupcakes. Individual cupcake with blackboard toppers, perfect for student gifting or school events. The next is quote cake and a sweet inspiration message like teacher is a work of art. Thank you for helping us grow. A plus teacher. The next is coffee and books theme. Combine a coffee mug topper with stacked books. Great for the teachers who love that morning brew. The next is classroom scene cake. Decorated detailed cake with desk or board and a tiny fountain students and a fun creative centerpiece. The next is alphabet and number cake. Bright, playful and ideal for preschool or kindergarten teachers. The next is floral thank you cake, elegant buttercream floral with a topper that say thank you, a classy, timeless design. The next is crayon box cake, colorful and fun, shaped like a box of crayons. And this one is a hit for elementary school teachers. The next is heart and star motif cake, star for star teachers, heart to show love, decorated with gold accent, sweet fondant shapes. The next is personalized name cake. Include the teacher's person's name or shape on the cake. Example: Miss Aisha's classroom, or thank you, Mr. Ahmed. Bonus tips: these thoughtful cakes are perfect for shaping or showing how much you can care. If you love these teacher appreciation cake ideas, leave a enjoy emoji in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to others. Cakes Factory. Join Cakes Factory for more sweet inspiration. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself. Goodbye.